Bitcoin is sitting around 25,000 and Ethereum is still sitting around 1,600. Those follow me knew I was selling the Ethereum market. However, my trades is out, only made around £1,000. However, I will go again to short Ethereum. Let me show you my plan this way. Right, so let's have a look at the Bitcoin market first before we jump to Ethereum. So you can see price is just trying to find support around this area. Hasn't been broken. Well, you can see the buying is very strong. Selling hasn't been strong enough to break this 25,000 support area. Maybe we will see a pop higher a little bit more around the 28 again, but it's not clean for me to sell. For me to sell Bitcoin is break below 25, then I can see acceleration back down to 20. So patiently waiting on Bitcoin. Ethereum wise is, I did sell it last week around this 1,700 area. We could see a double top form up or, some sort of pullback around the $1,800 area again. And if that does happen, then yes, I will look to be a seller, look for good rejection and try and sell it again. So it's trading. Sometimes it gives me more profit, sometimes it doesn't, but it's okay. I'm happy with whatever the market is giving me. Let's have a look at other cryptocurrency markets, shall we? Okay, let's have a look at Ripple market. Again, we have a ranging condition, but overall, I'm still bearish. It's very hard to trade because it's just a lot of wicks and stuff like that. But if we do see this 48 cents level breaks, we could see a lot lower, around the 30 or, late 20 cents area, okay? One thing that I think you guys should pay attention is the crypto-related stocks, so such as the Coinbase, one of the biggest crypto exchanges, and see what they are doing, okay? So Coinbase is now back to the support resistance zone around the $80 area. So I don't know, can it break a bit higher, or can we break this channel and continue lower? Nevertheless, we use that as a reference. I do want to be a buyer of Coinbase, but perhaps maybe later part of the year. Because I think longer term picture, I'm still bullish with the cryptocurrency market. But if you'd like to know what level that I'm planning to buy and what other stocks that I want to buy related to the crypto market, follow us and join my private trading group, because I will share more information in my private trading group. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any question, make sure you drop a comment below. Take care. Bye bye.